Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
Open Device Manager and update the display adapter driver for better brightness control. Expand display adapters and right-click your adapter to choose Update Driver. Next, check monitors and ensure generic PNP monitor is enabled and not hidden in Device Manager. If it is disabled, enable it now and restart the computer. Restart Windows after driver changes to apply new brightness capabilities. These steps restore missing brightness controls if the OS lacked proper monitor drivers. Go to Settings, then System, then Display and use the brightness and color slider to adjust screen intensity. If the slider is missing, toggle night light on and off to refresh display controls and then check again. Also inspect your current power plan to ensure adaptive brightness is not forcing fixed values. If the slider still does not appear, open Windows Update and install available display driver updates. After updates, restart your device and revisit settings to confirm the brightness slider is present. Open Action Center and choose Edit Quick Actions to add the brightness slider tile to your quick actions. Drag or tap brightness to make it visible in the Action Center and use the slider for fast adjustments. If the Action Center slider remains unavailable, use your keyboard FN keys or manufacturer hotkeys to change brightness instead. For many laptops, ensure OEM power drivers and display utilities are installed for full functionality. After adding the tile, test changing brightness from Action Center to verify success.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.